Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some souffle pancakes. So these Japanese souffle pancakes, they're not the type of pancake you want to make if you're planning on making a large batch and feed a family of 10, for example, because they do take time, and unless you have a large griddle with a lid, you're going to be making 3 at a time in a pan. But if you're planning on making a small batch, they're definitely worth trying. They're nice, fluffy, airy, and they taste great. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by warming up a large non-stick skillet over low heat. You'll need a pan with sides high enough for the pancakes to rise. You'll also need a lid. Separate 3 eggs into 2 different bowls. We'll be using 2 egg yolks and 3 egg whites. First, we're gonna work on the base for the batter. To the egg yolks, add 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and whiskey to combine. Next, sieve 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt into the mixture. Whiskey to combine. Next, let's work on the meringue. First, add 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar to the egg whites, and beat it either by hand using a whisk or using an electric mixer. Once the egg whites get nice and frothy, start adding the sugar. We'll use 2.5 tablespoons of sugar and add it in 3 additions. Continue to beat it between each addition. Once the egg whites turn glossy and you get stiff peaks, the meringue is ready. Next, start to combine the egg whites with the batter. Add 1/3 first and mix it well to combine. Once nicely combined, add half of the egg whites left, and at this time fold it in gently using a spatula. Try not to break the air bubbles in the egg whites. Fold in the rest of the meringue. By now, the pan should be evenly heated. Keep it over low heat and brush it with some vegetable oil or cooking spray. Scoop the batter onto the pan, dividing it in 3 pancakes. Try to pile the batter high instead of spreading it. Start by adding a couple scoops to each pancake. You should still have some batter left. Reserve it at this time. Cover the pan and cook the pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, remove the lid and divide the rest of the batter onto the pancakes. Another scoop or so. Again, try to pile it high. Add a couple of teaspoons of water to the empty areas of the pan. Cover it and cook for an additional 4 minutes. The pancakes will rise nicely as they cook. Next, flip the pancakes gently. I find it easier to do this using 2 spatulas. The pancakes are delicate and it takes a little bit of practice. Basically, just let them tumble over. Add a little more water around them, cover, and cook for an additional 5 minutes. The steam will help the pancakes stay moist and also to cook around them. These pancakes are super light and fluffy. I'm serving mine with some fresh berries, butter, and a nice drizzle of maple syrup. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.